Okay mga kaibigan, balikan po natin ang action dito. But on Tuesday at 1 p.m., huling laban po ng ating elimination round, Perpetual going up against Adamson dito lang po sa GMA News TV. So ituloy mo yung kwento mong sumasayaw itong Yonko sisters as we have an ace coming from Monique Chanco.
Well, game na game yung dalawa, talagang no pretenses and everything. They were really a performance level.
Talaga?
Stage, right? It was actually the opening night ng beach volleyball tournament.
Baka nasobra lang sa naburaka yung mga as Boli scores.
Hindi lang yun, pati pa to si Chisaet. Magaling din pala
Ganon,
sumayaw.
ha?
Yes!
Alam mo, sa tinagal-tagal na kasama mo si Chisait, ngayon mo lang nalaman magaling siya sumayaw?
Alam ko na yun dati pa. Alam mo, tagal na talented yan eh.
Si Andre Molia daw magaling kumanta.
Sa shower.
Sa shower lang. Mamaya pupunta tayo sa mga video kay dyan. Sama natin si Barry Pascua.
Ayun yata balita ko, magaling kumanta.
Yun, totoo. Proven na si Barry Pascua, one of the most famous sports writers in the entire archipelago, is actually a very, very good singer. Yun, nasaksihan ko na yan.
Bumili ka ba ng album niya nung nilabas?
Hindi naman, flop eh. Pero nasaksihan ko na yan. Yan yung mga magagaling na mga awit sa sports journalism industry ng Pilipinas. 17-12. Crisostomo now. Boli. Parang
medyo mababa eh. Medyo mababa yung set that time kay Boli. But that was a good block from Ara Malyare.
Well, 17-13. I was about to say na itong San Sebastian parang ang bibigat ng paa to begin this game. They are down by 4. Although Malyare with excellent defense that time.
The movement of San Sebastian is a bit slow. Tama ka dyan, Noel eh. Parang ang bibigat ng paa. It's slower than the usual.
Boli keeping it alive. Roses free ball. Yumi Yonko. And Yari Yonko's out of position. Muntik na niya mahulog pa. Boli in pending doom is turned back.
And the ball is still alive. Free ball given by Lasal. Combination attack, Boli just drops it. Hirap na hirap akong pumalo. Ganun lang. Diba?
Alam mo, ito si Boli, she has learned already that it's not all power when she's playing in the Philippines.
Kasi if you remember, di ba the first time she came here, talagang
lahat talaga. And here's Chanco now, another free ball coming up from Las Altas Marias. Unti-unti na po nagigising ang Lady Stags as Malyare hits it strong, looking for the check. And looks like Malyare might have twisted an ankle.
I think she stepped on
Yari Yonko.
Yeah.
Oo. And a substitution dito. Our first look now at Nika Arabe who will come in for Malyare. So Arabe, isa sa mga project na naman itong San Sebastian. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. He's very tall young lady also.
So I think Coach Clint gustong makasiguro na for no more injuries for Malyare.
Right. Crossing. Crossing yun. Manzano na tawagan. Tumawid. Jaywalking naman.
Jaywalking ang huli sa kanya. Walang sign kasing nakalagay. Bawal tumawid dito. Nakamamatay.
Nako. Sa Pasay, maraming tumatawid na ganyan. Delikado nga. Hopya! Napalakas ang unang serve nitong si Arabe. Again, a good project to have. Ano? She's about, what, 5'9"? Teenager pa.
So, mukhang tatangkad pa.
Yes.
And the belt, no? Parang lagyan mo na ng konting yan. Muscles and everything.
Oh, great. Two-handed power tip there by the setter, Mariel Desangaño. Another 5-point lead. Hindi na talaga nakalapit ito San Sebastian. 20-15. Timeout again for Clint Malazo.
Kasi mo maigay. Sa'yo nang gagaling yung play natin eh. Pagka ikaw ang nagulo, gulo tayong lahat yan. Hindi ba ako nakikita eh? Magkalayo kayo eh. Iba yung timing nung pinisa mo pag malayo siya. May happy tayo sa harapan. Pahapitin mo na to. Layo na eh. Ha? Depensa pa rin. Wala tayong dinidepensa maayos.
Well, she will learn. Ito si Trisha Crisostomo. We take a look at that last play once again. Galing na naman sa magandang first ball at two-handed slam dunk ang binigay dito ni Mariel Desangaño. So it is now 20-15. Mamaya babaguhin natin yan pagkasama na natin si Ann kasi gusto niya may Twitter name.
May Twitter name.
Kasi yung Ivy dapat meron na rin. Nuna, great block.
Oh, ball is still alive.
Desangaño on offense. Ang ganda naman ng diskarte nitong batang to. Oh, muntik pa mapuwing.
Ganun yata dyan sa Lasal pag nakakapoy, nababatukan ka.
Oo.
no?
Okay yan. Basta wag lang tamaan sa mata, di ba? O, 21-15.
Jen Manzano for the serve.
Here's Crisostomo now. Nanigurado na para kay Roses. Roses just tipping it over. Desaganyo now. Combination for Bembo off the hands of Crisostomo, but net violation. At napatayo doon si Darwin Campana.
Kasi it seemed like it touched the hand of the blocker.
Oh,
But,
pero may net
nauna
violation
yan,
eh.
net violation, that's right.
Pero yun ang pinaka-ultimate judgment call talaga sa volleyball. Ano? Yung net violation na yan. Bowley, what a serve!
Service ace for Bowley.
Yun naman mapapaniginipan ni Yumi yung kumamayang gabi.
Parang biglang nagkaroon ng bola. Saan ang galing yun? Biglang
Parang
nagkaroon ng bola.
meteorite yung dumating eh. Eto, isa pa oh.
Straight into the net.
Bowley is having a slow start today. 22-17. Yan pa rin yung 5-point force field na itinayo nitong Lasal Dasmariñas. 5 points, 4 points. Di na bumababa doon. Crisostomo across. Labiano, yes! Boy, that was through everybody. Alala mo naman si Jolina, dating setter yan.
So, converted.
Yes. Crisostomo again.
Service outside.
Isa pang medyo mabagal ang gising. Ito.
Hindi nakapagkape yata to sa Sebastian
Alam mo,
today.
hindi ba na-experience yun naman yun? Na minsan nakahiga kayo, parang trabaho na, pero bagal, di ba?
There are days talaga na parang you feel it's very slow.
Right. Nawala Suzanne Roses, who's almost 100% dun sa kanyang running attack na yun. 23-19. Arabe back in front. Roses and Bowley in the back now. Desaganyo, Nunag wanting to make sure na mailusot niya kaagad doon. Palundag pa lang itong si Arabe. So now we have 5 set points para sa kupunan ng Lasal Dasmariñas, and Darwin Campana will use a timeout despite being up by 5 and at set point. This is interesting. Pakinggan natin.
Yung apang, katabi mo lang yung bola. Katabi mo lang yung bola. Nakaikot si Kuya, isa palo. Lahat ng pinalo niya, drop ball o kaya tulak lang. Ano tayo mananalo niyan?
Well, actually, it was Lasal Dasmariñas that called the timeout. Pero we focused on what was going on in the Clint Malazo huddle. Parang resigned na si Coach Clint dito as we have the entry of Beatriz Canillas, who will serve out for the match, or for the set, rather. Yung luxury ni Darwin Campana na may pasok na niya yung mga ibang reserves.
Yes. Good
Nice serve. Here's Labiano. Cross-court attack. Nakakuha ng puntos there. Just hugs the line. So 24-20. Labiano now. Yumi Yonko. Back set. Here's the attack coming from Chanko. Crisostomo. Bowley. And that one is out.
Outside. Set number 1 goes to De La Salle Dasmariñas.
And again, that 5-point barrier intact. 25-20. Tignan natin itong ating shake and play. Off the serve of Sue Roses. Ganda na nilaro ng Lasal Dasmariñas nung ating first set. And look at the delayed power tip coming from the very tall Cherry Rose Nunag.